Let me ask you a question. You work hard. You like to work hard. You identify with being a hard worker. You think that shit is noble, don't you? You think that shit is like what men are supposed to do, right? I think you think working hard is the thing, and that's how men are supposed to be. And don't mind the stuff in the back. I'm moving and stuff, but I think you think that. I think you innately, because the way society has, molded us, we think working hard is the right thing to do, because it's the noble thing to do, right? It's just what men do. And you're wrong. Hard working is not it. Being a hard worker, if you say to yourself that hard work is the way to success, then you've actually dictated the rest of your life to be hard work. Everything is going to be hard for you to obtain. Everything is going to be a struggle for you to obtain, because you have identified your energy, your personality with hard work. You've literally just solidified your life. You've literally just could I say, put a stamp on it. You're going to be a hard worker for the rest of your life because you consider hard work honorable. And like I just said, you won't only have to work hard, but everything that you want out of life will be a struggle to obtain, because you consider hard work a noble thing. When in reality, you should despise hard work, right? You should despise hard work to a point where you don't want to work hard at all, ever, in no way, shape, or form. Now, I'm not saying that you won't ever have to, but you should be thinking to yourself, how could I do this easier? Even whatever you're doing is hard work, or a tedious task, or physically hard, you should be thinking to yourself, what's the easiest way for me to do this? How can I do this the easiest? What's the easy way? What's the easiest way to get this hard job done and complete? What's the easiest way? And then find that way, and then make that way happen. And that's how you'll start to change your mindset around hard work. You won't think of it so honorable anymore. And then once you stop to think of it in an honorable manner, you'll be able to start doing things the easy way. And then things will start coming to you in the easy way, because you'll start thinking about everything. How can I do this the easiest way? The least painful way. I don't want to do hard work. I don't want to work hard. I don't want to do this the hard way. What's the easiest way I can do this? And once you start thinking like that, then again, the universe will start to present to you easy things, easy ways of doing things, and start providing you with the things you want easily, because your mindset is on easy mode, not on struggle mode, not on grind mode. See what I'm saying? Hope you get what I mean. Hope you really understand what I'm trying to get at. And don't, you know what I'm saying? And don't be mad at me. Just, don't blame the messenger. Because, most people be like, nah, man, I'm a hard worker. You know what I mean? Like, y'all boys don't know nothing what hard work is. Why would they want to? Why should they? Right? Nobody wants to. Nobody wants to work hard. And if they do, stupid. Stop being stupid. Stop working hard just to work hard. I'm not saying you don't have to work. Just saying don't work hard just to work hard. Be smart. Until next time, Wealth Builders. Peace.